mu ena anopay ya de beto so ama mo meantime no ma men kanfo J Essentials and ma say me beautiful water Kelsey ya while time ama me lace front ama shine fefe since Monday still me rocking no J Essentials or East Legon Malabo Avenue ena ode ema me woton enwi makacha say okọ kwan so ba ye nche ye enti enwi pa wakwa soa e de free India name ya me abade ese woni enye wo ka kire okwa be unse nwigu ahodo ebi se moton ebi se na ebi tenten ebi tietia oh udi untimi nkwa check wo Instagram page honom J Essentials J_Essentials na obehu wonom ewo honom obetumi so afre na waye e de abro kama 024 36 39053 02436390053 meni jimi no pa Kelsey no e ma me danda me ho my sweet 16 na matadi so anopay me looky fly a creative line and creative line now kwabena say ya creative line ya creative line no and our rock kemisa no kaftan meni je ho de boy mu kra wono ana di bomu into creative and the chest way creative no sha no a black and white strap edi me the red kakra so mu a ya betimi dia matching the shoe red na egu no share ya che no abano creative line e was Swan Lake Junction to see a Swan Lake Junction baby any Obelix restaurant no e di anim hwe ne ho e no waba udu Swan Lake Junction out there bisa so Obelix restaurant no way ye kire wa ugina ni ma woto ani tenten so a obon say creative line for ne wo hwe fra 0244 69 5057 0244 695057 and 024 026 44 14945 026 44 14945 omo na ukom website ade ehemi wo se upebi ochina ne fie da kra no aye no Friday where quick fix obeyama website near www.mycreativeline.com omo yade pa meda omo ase anopay ensema ye ba ba dwendwe ho no na hia enipa enaka enkwanhia de wo mo kwa akra nasa no enkwa ba kokora sombo how much more 1252 afini nyanko na wieye nanso abosumi nsia ntem no enipa pem ahanu ni aduonu mienu no onam enkwanhia so pe ahwe wonum enkwa enti yesi enti menye bibia amfamo ana anopay eyasam ohia ya yebedi ho nkomo enura wote se wo mrahwe dwafie no wo dwendwen wa university no already no University for Development Studies wo campus wa but wo dwen wo se nkebe ya wo man enye university ankasa na yenya wa university enti bill na wo de ko dwendwen amrahwe dwafie fo nse Kieti University a ye wobutaye nti ayetie tie kura ye de ne de wohwe din kura ekiro for development and the keka ho allied health for science for education and so na yes education for na money afi de omo ntete teacher for ni biem yes ye be tete lawyer for ye be tete nurse for wo mo so anka wo mo tete a doctor for ene biochemist ne wo mo keka ho no wo mo so ajai afi de oh ye tete psychologist ye tete counselors just say enti wo mo se butaye enti e di invest in ba ye no anke be miti current market trend no dey bi and investors ni nyina obi aye marketing eno na sele eno mo se mahwe fie fon se si anya sa na tie enti wo se nyina ye di e ho nkomo public universities shifting focus if you muni nyina house ni nyina gitum say e ya asem hia si di nkomo ene obaji atum say the trend ba ko pa e citizen vigilante special prosecutor ye SP no oguso a wokase enwumakuo ni bi ono mo mama na adwuma na ye den bi kra information a wo hia wo betu the next step no kra na ayasem sesi a wo mo hye no a ene court ene wo bekwa anope kra ne ene kwabena ye di twensere wase ai amanfo se kasa na doso won take action no nti na trend pa clamp down on corruption allude threatens to sue institutions for non-compliance. Ene mami me visa wa kumsen Minister for Special Development trend pa one Ghana web for akasa na wo se sika e de maye ya mpesi esu abum ene yenya no dam bia one village one dam adwuma ni eken se enka wo mo pe dam no na se amanfo se dag out say opposition for credit too media houses bi akwakwa mo anada mo ya mo ka se mo be say na sitie enti on pese mo che sai se ahweye no wanye na adwuma ye otutu ayi abura bia wo se wo tu dam eno wo se budget am de ko dam ba ku bia 3 million ene e behia ene ye ma me say ye ma me 250,000 na $3 million ye ma me 250,000 enye so dam na ma ye nti wo se budget ye de ma no no ahu dam no wasi no so we are not constructing meaningful dams says minister say dam no agitum say dam na wo moye no enye dam a ebesoma chepa enye papa biasa so these are the issues afedia mehu say me Facebook honom no ayeye UTV Facebook hono ayeye anti obetumi do comment no aba Honorable Kennedy can come here. Honorable Member of Parliament, Mama for Winshire, so Waba, Yanene shall say, Yeshakwan say. Honorable Member of Parliament, Mama for Lower Menya Crobo, Honorable Benezo Clitete Labi, Ebebabe Kayensa, Tonya Maya Nedie, no Chaba permitted your son nine, a Kayen Bellian ah, in Tiashe and Comono Ase. Mira Quaba.
Yeah, no, I promote
Adumo now sway.
Onyame adomone mo mpa ebo me ho ye pa.
Neso your political suit you found so parliament pa.
Mission.
Oh, Debbie. Debbie, any mina missia was said commercial penny.
Samom.
Ah, to mina missia won't see. My creative land for my to sell. Meshana David, I be a mouse, I da crona diaba.
Medas, Yamisha.
Constituency boko.
Onyame adomone mo mpa ebo nti be a course of papa or constituency dem. Be a come up. So for I guess about 3 days ago, and a contractor or a chip compound as a clinic it will be. I share one of the towns of Winshire, so no, I shall say or Juma. Okay. Another structure.
To when yaji.
When yes, because the minya dear me penny na.
As well as any dear at least or more outside no. Omo how ba kwa anu so
structures there for the past 2 years I'm by there. I can count not less than 6-7 structures.
Okay.
Here no for.
Great.
This is start to be with a chip compound.
Okay.
Was the mizonim kumase kakra.
Kakra.
Just zonim dakojum.
Oh, dakojum ye kodi fufu bi o ho baby pap 2 side one.
Yeah.
Some papa so fi o ho dem nim ho kakra.
Dakojum is a community a very old community.
Yeah.
And as already in shares constituency. The whole constituency, we don't have a single public health facility. A buyer is a BB, say a chip compound, say a clinic, say a hospital.
It's nearest
your private clinic, private hospitals or
public
expensive.
One in New.
But so public one there, Ebiombetimia KMA, and Obetimia Sintreso, and Obetimia Confanochi. But say a casse. A buyer said, "Dine way, I buy dine see what a share for, then I say for there. This is the first government health facility. And
your mom from Penaway. When you can project here, I mean, calling for me video in Afe, any project home community, and necessarily, it means that a bottom up. Then the issues, said you made the mom on your best reform. We are not constructing meaningful dams, says a minister for special initiative. Or can I say, Pamcho, money, anyone so money?
That these dams are exactly what you promised.
Yes. Then look at the cost, 250,000 Ghana cedi. 250,000 Ghana cedi. If you are constructing a meaningful dam, you don't need anything less than $3 million. $3 million, so not Ghana cedi. So if I'm constructing 250,000 Ghana dam, then what kind of dam are you expecting from me? I hope you're getting me. So that's the kind of dam we've promised the people.
You are saying that these dams are exactly what you promised.
Yes. Then look at the cost, 250,000 Ghana cedi. 250,000 Ghana cedi. If you are constructing a meaningful dam, you don't need anything less than $3 million. $3 million, so not Ghana cedi. So if I'm constructing 250,000 Ghana dam, then what kind of dam are you expecting from me? I hope you're getting me. So that's the kind of dam we've promised the people.
And she say and a special minister and a minister for special initiative Ekano and she enu komo ena yede ebeshase. My good friend Clifford Bannerman Lawson, formerly of Gimpa Law Faculty, happy birthday to you, Clifford. I guess you are still watching. More grace, and I pray that you go to Mokola, okay? So happy birthday. Honorable Taylor Biaba, Mira Kwaba.
Yeah.
Now, what to say?
Yamiado.
Wafa, who dear? Lower Menya Boko.
Yamiado Boko.
Okay. Honorable can come. Minister some new was it 250,000 now scanning son amudi amano I na mo yesa
you mean ya dedika me da wase na machete for enchia no kese pa nkoma inhye constituency for me him for 25 for no boy him for dia na ese me bo ayotiko course to for say to ababi o asante man nyina wura ena him for a omo organ ha nyina me de nchia kese ebe ma omo nyina na de tia ni say one village one dam a policy and answer a manifesto MPP for ya green say ya de beba mostly in the northern part of this country. Now if was a minister I didn't share na say a minister for special initiative you right how kumsam and ni hona ebai na wo share adie ya boy ya oka so wo kasa wo ye ba wo ye damo we hear not less than $3 million. And I budgeted 250,000 Ghana cedis.
Ghana cedis.
At the amano. Well, I think say as a minister no, or quite say to me expressing the views and any sentiments as a minister of state. Na so what see ninsem no
or expressing sentiments in this way.
Na make us all quite. Okay. So betting me expressing the sentiments.
Okay.
But the would in some no baby or can no any said dear is call any dear. And no I will quite be a bisu afanafa. But so share said dear or can answer mono. And they all share a buying no any swadi no. Any they are buying a no. And yet then some no can no and what is on the ground. I'm saying this maybe some to be. Me say nensema okan ye nyina about one village one dam no enye no nyina na reflect what is on the ground
ono ye minister na or eye ne sector na o hweso no kan sema o say enye nyina na reflect
say am anything me kan say me see so asem no so be because me nim dia me babeka
okay
me tias say me a member of the Environment, Science and Technology and
that committee parliament
me ranking member na any honorable Taylor Biaba has this year.
Okay.
My chairman, a honorable Yafrempong, on a chairman of Environment, Science and Technology.
Okay.
Until I may can't say me share the CISA some no say any because na sem na all cano. What borders her ministry? They found on the ministry hono and our cano. But to call one village one dam no in the northern region. And your Ministry of Special Initiative go a dam. The Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. So another programmer, or also a constructed dams. Just about 1 month ago, me will be me and Kasana Meka a team on could do where the certification day. A year powers wa.
Okay.
Me could you could do 4 days. Unfortunately, yeah, ranking member on team maybe, but na me war. Or maybe about Parliament 2 years in it, every traveler Yabakobia within this country may bomb or there some could be compensation with many swadion. One was like a bino another way be or no a supplementary the Minister for Special Initiative fire so far as one village, one dam is concerned.
Okay.
And two call baby is essentially in the Upper West region. Uko baby is Bele in the Upper West region. Any other towns be or the Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology is also asked to a year hand dug webs nibi. Na say small dam nibi so ko hwe said you see ya no said you see ka emu kono na ade bia very nice.
Okay, but say mama no nka say o kan ma the other ministry say the ono ne de na all ye na ebia amanfo say we die so enye da ma ehu no o ka say de de mama no eno ho adwuma na me obviously me ni say o kan cover other ones ana.
Madam, I menye PRO for Ministry of the Special Initiative.
Okay.
And you know na say na me beka wa.
Okay.
I'm a member of parliament for Inshiaso constituency, and I'm a MPP.
Okay.
I'm a part of the government.
Okay.
And you say, Obi, and I make a statement no kind, no. What borders her ministry.
Okay.
But already account on the ministry, no. And yet, reflected the concept of one village, one dam. The point I'm making, no.
Okay.
Well, and I'm a man said, na seven or kind and be different. But I'm talking about the concept that MPP government they buy about one village, one dam. One village, one dam. Na you know. E be ye hand dog worm. E be ye the normal. You know no. E be one the ministry.
Okay.
And e be what other ministries are. And also mu ye wajuma.
Okay.
And so obi be fa ade no. No the nyina be say because of what my men account no. E the akwa kwenti say yes Flagstar program na. Flagship program na dan kwaku for the aba one village one dam ntino ma me na kanti the whole one village one dam concept no enye viable the person make no need me share that a CSA statement and also say me can we na me say CSU biem ana me sa ka kire say enye obi na ko hwe be ka kire me as a member of environment science and technology no minim say ministry na supervise a ministry of environment science and technology no so no omuso ye dam ne bi.
Okay.
I complement what is going on.
Okay.
And I'm about Bailey, my boss Sicily, and other places. And I said, well, Upper West region.
Okay.
So, and see, maybe in the ministry, no. Anna offices.
The work Bailey, Sicily, no. Do you have an idea or more dear Nisika saying, or more dear, and to much me a year, or month for no any agent home? Well,
some may call your coy, no. Your cocher said this, no. What's the amount for fees? Your casa, a dama. Ye need to sako so modama ye the concrete ye bia ye ni na nke zura betem na nke bi fifiri form ba ba ma me kase mi jro the day ye call ye no me ne one doctor entry on no ye consultant for company now mo ye sa ye one I well know no.
Okay.
Unim say in the northern region some part of the northern region omum pe sa dam ye the concrete gumu no be jedi omum pe concrete type of dam no omum pe. But omu wo some way bi omu de anwea no omu hipu anwea no bi wa no omu hipu bi wa no omu ye ni se no omu twa water canal no e de aba betum to omu hwe be bi ensuo no e ba de bi omu wo no anso omu ye omu nete ho ana omu nim se ensuo to a omu nim be bi ensuo ne fa enti omu hwe water no de bi ensuo na nam wo no a no omu twa de no omu bie mu no omu de ebi ape no omu de bi aso a no omu dua ensensan ne flowers ni nua enti mi ma enjwiri nkogum enti na mbisa pa ne se na sa de ensuo betamu a I go from Aden enye ebe because I drew pebra no say there be of picky anwa soil no of about 3 different types of soil no unza omu ya anwa na bi esoro ebi enfifi no yem say type of soil we no na it's a chocolate obi o no obi shada uza me hu say man for kan wasem timi shada tie mu bisa ne o mapa ti na it's a type of soil na it's a chocolate and also honorable so we ade ya say chocolate ya ni quality ni bi bia te cement pepepe. So the air say ensuo mu say ya ensuo ne hono no na akọ settle e won ensuo na settle ensuo na sepa e say the other cement a cement form pepe ensuo no e ma na nye enu momu na e ma ensuo ne we ne akofa normal cement say Portland cement na e dey say ye ne wie won cement wa hwa obi a osi dan bi ani masema make so ugu concrete of form ana cement da ho che na ensuo ni so a wo hwie ensuo gu so na ach na say ensuo no na you first say bubbles and tokru no buboba so and almost say because of that no for no temperature na ho no sa you know so all the cement no ko bia most of the time no cement mu nkra be boa ama ensuo no kra awe
okay
and that concept na omu use wo ho no a omu tu anwa gu ha omu wi no madua ebi ho elephant grass no madua ho ebi ho omu won enua different ayi nantwie ne mo ntimenwe because one really now could be a sere ho a nantwie ne neoma no baba be wi sa sere ni nyina no ma I expose the soil surface no to order and it go super na erosion at take place and to mu dua enua emo no ntimenwe a emo ne do ma no ka bi ti say Canada dua ana say jetrofa na che mu de ayesa ade no nya no mu de abon ho ban so entima me no I am minister for special initiative no no ministry no or one sentiments wo. There are other ministries who are execute part of the 517 one village one dam no so
agreed though but so, bisa say others here waka omo de no Sicily ne wabodin bia macha gumiti ma later alasan betimi I follow up
Bailey
Bele.
yeah.
Omo atimi aye ne kama no. Omo de sika sen na ye. A omo atimi aye a we die say enye up to standard a ema or react sa.
Well, omo no de no, it depends on the size.
Okay.
Almost say call your dam I heard here about 4 dams. Na obia was said the necessity, ebia on the capacity. So in the case be akofa omo no de say do mo say here na because na be the range from every 1 million no ekwa ekosi 4-5 million. Said the na madam honorable our kunsen eka no.
Okay.
Ebi so de eba form e dey be free 100 honor by depending on the community no. Said the community ne kese city and said the almost say no epese no fa.
Okay.
So and depending on the size of the community, depending on the size of the dam no, depending on the capacity of the ensure ba task ade ni mo no anemo because we do baby ne bia land no eslope kese pa.
But any sa we nyina no sa 250,000 Ghana cedis no on to me fanye bibi meaningful. At least say enso mu nyina so a ebeso bi mu so. And why this reaction? O nipa ofa we djuma wo ho se bibi ni a na nkoye te say wo de wontuma agufin aba bedwam nti then you are giving yourself away.
Well, I don't want to hold breath for her. What do I say?
Okay.
It can be say a communication skills no and it be a beating no kakra.
Okay.
When sometimes nipa bi o ho a na or go through a lot. Adwuma ye say so one continue moto do bi o ho obe cancel bi o ho na afedi akofa one any friends na
adwuma ni mu frustrations ana
so adwuma bi frustrations o
kakra
adwuma bi every adwuma bi nipa especially nipa ho adwuma.
Yeah.
Even medical doctors sometimes they are frustrated. Who free adwuma fie ba no so fie nsam so wo ho ana adi fie nsam ade aba beka ho but all in all no mean defend e bia de waka. But any part de to the boa, the better bia no matter the frustration that you are in, problem better bia no. You should find a way obesi akasa anaso betimi no. Oh, until any be mo can say so fees enkoya. The best thing is to keep quiet. Anaso beka one tum. So ka one tum na won bie wano a obi nim ade efiri wano beba.
Wan kasa so ebeka say ebisa na samo.
Madam, enye bibia de kan wan say, "Bon, dey ma yenya problem no." Asem we me ko kan bi mre bi ma ye ma say me kan na ma kan mentam kase. So na me che no. Omo bisa amasembi ana me kire omo so omo nko nkrofo no mo ye ncha me kra me de aka so omo nko engineers no no mo engineers ne nkokan na engineers na ti asem yase na ya no se chenchina me nka na say madam masa ejisi ato aba mamia na che se bibia minimum asem kra no me kan asem
bele de no se ho amo na ye
Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology under our committee no some ministry ne yes
I find your cost ni ade ne mai na say ne say omo de ni nyina be hye omo say because me say wo kan na me kra me feel say no de 1v1d ne de special initiative ni bianti neju ni asye no na omo kuto solia na purely omo no mo ye iti say bi matumi aye na e fine say na say ne de no sika ni so na Ministry of environment for betumi aye say ne na nka mo de asye omo say so okay how you did this one no munya ni say ya answer
okay it can be a bit na make us say here na abai and ya kanisa because we share Ministry of Environment Science and Technology is under a certain program. I think it's sustainable water and land management.
Okay.
And I know na omo dey program no omo.
And so you buying funded ana.
And no
and I know you donor funded.
E be a buying supplement, be a donor funded. A program on say you person you 2 desert ase e wo Ghana.
And obviously the donor funded ne dey say hu nsem be a bit okay am ministry no because
the mechanism you see amino ka say me tenaka say a donor funding and say government funding na me ya mistake me pesa me ko kan say me a which menya problem but the mechanism say you know pesa point am pesa making nyina ne say enye 1D 1F ne ye koso northern region nyina no nyina ni special initiative
1D
sorry one village one dam no nye ni nyina na was special initiative for because other ministries no so ye bi their buying policy no is not in limbo.
Okay,
but you dey make say
Honorable Tailabi, I'm sure who video no
yeah, Michia.
Yeah, Joso.
Now, I'm say, I said I'm a co no. I'm say me wish you massive happy birthday.
Okay.
Madam Victoria Damiti.
Okay.
Happy birthday. The one want to say, you bar Parliament, and I say, run up to the 2016 election, no. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, and the Vice President, Omo catch Ghana for say they are going to provide dams. There were villages in the north.
Okay.
Okay, womo in some womo call round no there. Omo say one village, one dam. Apart some womo baby trans no start church dem say enye bia na ye north one. But anka obefa woman say womo kan tra dia. Na chere say mikrum trawakra e bia na dam no bi beba ho no. Right. Now womo use dam. They mention dams. So we build the dams. Our villages, no.
Okay.
Women they irrigate. Women they providing shoe. The amount farmers, no. No, all year round farming. Because the problem is not in say. In short, women experiencing just rainy season back up. And you know, the rest of the year, no, farmers, no, they become very inactive. And then my yan and yadin was so many you made almost as well on one baha. And you know, Ghana for jeep say, the Nana Kufa Kai and one baby. And into no many DH. And it fast forward 2017, budget our year the buy no. Budget no. Nipako or bar on obekan. One village, one dam, one ceremony, all those special initiatives. No, mami no kasa sisi no.
Okay.
Yeah, Madam Hawa Kunsim.
Okay.
Now, the fact is that this is not the first time. See dam in Ghana hanmo the amount farmers. Now, you can be say you dugouts. And say you dam. For this now, the definition of a dam. It is different from a dugout.
No, say are there no types of dams and
no. Call the dictionary definition of a dam. Now there must be a source of water. Be a curtain in the movement. Okay. It can be from underground, it can be a running water.
Okay.
And a dugout no there. Two I didn't see on. In short na better. So the name can say. Now His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, our leading campaign who can Nana Akufo-Addo hono. In all his pronouncement, he spoke about dams. He spoke about dams.
Now, from your definition, Nanka source of dam, no.
Yes, if you go back, look questions I be say now what source of water no be him for no be dams no baby. Now if you grab dams, no be build dams, no as they are saying now. No cry no is it feasible? Sorry I say, you can feasibility of it near dinner. Almost dams who can say you be dams. And then say Madam Hawa Kungu Hawa Kumsi Abaka say woman any meaningful dam. Media other institutions are almost building dams anyway. No. We have not approved any budget for anybody.
Okay. We
have not. They are approving their money, so my on dam, no, yeah. What do you call it? His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the budget or the buyer.
Okay.
And it is the minister Nana catcher and say they are not building any meaningful dam there. Then they are causing financial loss to the state. They are wasting our money.
I think that paper on our website, headline,
Yes.
But
I listen to her. I listen to her.
It's like Sikana, dear Maya,
yeah. You see, you Tina say one Kasawa. You Bonnie.
Okay.
They can give you anything.
Okay.
Una de vision, any mission, ever two yenim. And in the wisdom of woman culture out that policy program, no. Almost for say, 250,000 ABC dam, right?
Okay.
Whether it is enough or not, no, it is their choice. Women take a decision, right? But what the people of Ghana are expecting, they say, ABC dam, ebetimia providing you all year round for the farmers.
But
so if the farmers are coming out to say, the amount be here it's inappropriate. Because they have seen a lot. You see dams,
but I guess I am for nibi so communities nibi more. I'm like, boy empire, need your home.
The American say, the fact will be a cancer boy, no, and just to be cancer moana. And the minister, no,
community,
we are not discussing the communities who are praising government for dugout or dam.
Okay.
We are the discussion, no, I will a pastor to say here, the minister to say dams now meaningful, which means they are useless. Sorry, they are useless. I mean, what the minister is telling us that they are wasting our money. It's 250 times multiplied by the number of dams. I mean, everything is going waste. And in America say she should be the ministry should be cited for grossly causing financial loss if it is not a display of incompetence. Because who can say unim. I mean, this is what we are going to do. You never spoke about dugout. We even say a dugout because don't for here. Build the dugouts. Tell me you cano. Don't be any honoma. Yedi farm ya yedi concrete gum. No.
Okay.
You didn't make an say. Uba akusi. If you want nuwa ya or dams will call East Legon. Honoma. Agree for no dams ni be honoma. Oh woma ya I check the honoma. Anything no. Say one more about the council who say one also be see dam no. Now what Jessica at the about parliament. Now my parliament approve. You have not come to tell us. Say Sikana Edema it's not enough, so let's revise it because of changes are no, you have not brought anything, but you are coming. What about out there country and say you are not building any meaningful dam? I mean, which means it's useless. You are not making any meaningful impact so far as the issue about all year round agriculture is concerned.
Dam.
It is not me saying it.
Okay.
It is not me saying it. It is the minister saying the dam no meaningful.
Okay.
Don't make a communication. You see, what he wants to say is I mean, a waste of time and money.
You sure
seriously? That's what she's saying.
What she wants to say.
Well, maybe unless you call her,
maybe one day we have to.
You have to call her for her to come again and then tell us. Otherwise, the special prosecutor must go after her. Seriously. Because then onim na say MP who koto who the common fan koto car now donated by MP special prosecutor be do echi abechiwa court say why you sue office earlier for private benefit anything say your man no 250,000 say 2.5 billion quantity scan
okay
na say fire dam una obeka say wo de be you. That's how we hear that man for no air comparisons because you see this shop when we agree for no already no more dams. The people they know what they are talking about. Say oh are the parks so no they know what they're talking about. And say abai ebe taking up the challenge seriously. The embassy say let us sit down. Now abai ankasa make and say Nanka minim se metimi aye say ni and then you see what's that obi aye mistake me kai say o man panyin kufo time aye kan or your campaign about
now is it a mistake and I say any one say aban required amount and be man if you person on my meaningful dam
mami fama nu see they make an say look sadi akaye ho too much look obi ani hono mu a onye infallible ye mistakes in life now a gentleman and a lady is a person who will make a mistake and accept say idea me kan ye me and me kan ye so no ma widre and I say matria sign na nya ni say and because
mistake in way
was criticize say former president Rollins about the number of ministers so I was time na me tie no me be rem na me say no me ntimi and reduce the numbers no and then also be one village one dam uba ye no amafo akasa among and then technocrats will have my advice you. So there is nothing wrong coming out to tell us, say, oh, now I thought I was going to build a dam. But the situation is that what we can provide for the people are dugouts.
I thought so because there are other sectors that budget so but we say abansi ehia na e flagship there on for budget and said you obisa ye be so no na yen hwe
the American say the concept no
okay
and make one and then no aban ehun say untimi si dam with 250,000 Ghana cedis but obet me a dugout you should come and tell Ghanaians say enye me and me say me dam me hu ya hu de no enye what do you call it untimi si dam
okay
o the nyina small dam big dam whatever every dam is a dam we share the definition of a dam a dam whether it is big small or large a dam
Okay.
Dugout na wo ye no. Dugout na wo ye wo hono no. Na dugout no 250,000 no. Wo de ye dugout na wo describe you say damn people will, you know, chastise you, criticize you. Now for one kasa about displayed, you know, the level of incompetence I will display or discussion.
Okay. And yeah, the no better then we'll move to our next topic. But before, more comments Amudia Bani from social media, Facebook, specifically. Sandro says, good morning, yeah. That woman who made the video about the chief killing someone for sacrifice must be arrested for deceiving Ghanaians. Shivman was saying, Atunsu says, I think that the AG did not deny Gregory Afoko of his bail granted by the High Court, or it was unfortunate and a clear breach of fundamental human rights. Honorable Abedi Kwada so says that I can't really thank Mr. Martin Amidu laments over interference, but do we even need the office of the special prosecutor to fight corruption? We have Iyoko B and he's in already. Oyibo Boateng from Nebehi, Etriman Nebehi Kumasi. Good morning, yeah. When will Special Prosecutor Martin Amidu stop talking? Always pointing fingers on people, accusations and recrimination. Ghanaians are tired of complaints. Martin Amidu should focus on what the president asked him to do. If he can't do the job, he should apologize to the entire Ghanaian and honorably resign. Teacher Kuju Tepa Enyinesoso says Martin Amidu is a man given a task backed by laws to execute. He knows the laws to apply if people are putting impediments on his effort. Yet that man goes weeping like a helpless child instead of applying the laws. You speak as if there is no other Ghanaian capable of being a better SP. Ishan Kabna says, good morning from Bantaman North Boutique. Mr. President, can't you see you are pushing us to the Satan empire? No work, no money in the country. Why, Nana? I always say this, don't let things get off hand or out of hands. The youth are suffering. And he says, greetings to North Interest to youth. Nana Kweku Sanctuary says, Ghanaians should allow SP to do his work with no interference. Good morning, Sister Ya Majiso. Okay. Yeah, can special prosecutor idea and or trendy pa fi say kratani na dia ba wo say enyumakuo ni bi si ne kwan ohia documents o say information kra wo mo fama no amanfo se kasa na yeye onye adwuma no wo mo si ne kwan no name them, pull them, emrabo ni chidom into nsho so na onye na adwuma no pacho wugina mo hefa
ya medasi me mo de ngonwa.
Okay.
Ekwan bi so no, but ekwan bi so no enye me nwanwa. Because minim the special prosecutor is obi a operate a lot. I mean unfortunately no, the nsem kekan o create impression outside say owo sebi owo bibia hu nyansa onim. Eno na me sure say dada omampenyi kufo mampenyi akufuado to the extent say no maybe okan ye even we know fit say oba vetting I be saying in same bin letters be no more true catch say a perception at the time no then I say no ya be mistake in a sense say what
you
drives
mean time oba vetting
no
okay
one be say no letters or true oba omampenyi dada John Domani Mahama ho no maybe okan ye aye bisa na say obetumi a substantiate no man or right or say a perception
okay
which means on also no believe in pedestrian kind of politics ni accusations ni ade ekoso no aye koso marketplaces ni ade anything no say ene waba yamao akande na say aska in the man a lot. Do you need to come and tell the people of Ghana say I want to go to court?
I'm the in your office, you know, 180,000.
Yes. Do you need to come and tell the people of Ghana say Obi Stroti or you went to court? You don't need to do that. Say untimi swa this one so untimi swa. Don't blame Ukechiri.
And yeah, so you say yeah, information flow here or abai money.
Wait a minute. The point is that what are the me person me expect to say? You better know no matter me do court say or the internal revenue court or say Yemam information, they are trying to, you know, prevent him from getting information to our court. That is what we want to hear. Now, no, can outside say, no, we want to hear say, Ebia, correspond to Biako court. Oh, Martin, I mean, do a back court, The issue or the about say or the Yokwaba court say, won't provide information they are not giving him.
At least so I make a first step.
Step, which step?
Higher guardian.
What high court there no akajire no? I will be able as if say Ayariga case 19 or the buy. But that notwithstanding, Ayariga only need share court and the onuna sem.
Okay.
So the mechanism. But the mechanism say institutions and man who can say man unye juma. Must you come and tell us court? We want to see him in court first. Okay. Now we correspondent honoma baba catcher say, oh, today I went to court and I met Mati Amidu. They said you're starting a friend who's sitting vigilante of all the cases been mentioned. He should be doing that rather than coming to tell us his problem. Crying wolf when there's nothing like there for us to worry about.
Oh, soon and answer or my own will say Juma no may but here are the challenges. Because Ghana for the corruption fight and home. Your mom
only Matiami do need problem. If it did all day, ne ono ankasa ni personal conventions ne ade to anchen na ohwe adwuma na ye dia ma no so nko out ene no Matiami to find it difficult. Say okope amanfo a se bi omu buye bukata wo Ghana hanu sisi a normal e cost sisi a no enya ade a it shouldn't be difficult for him. But what I'm saying is that say uko ekwako beside information and also got information. Now ministry be mount, and department be frustrating you. What you have to do is that don't come and tell Ghanaians that they are frustrating me. I want to go to court. Go to court first, because you don't need the permission of Ghanaians.
Okay.
To go to court. So you go to court. Court no. Now compare information no. If you want what do you call it? Directive. If you want everyone will say, let's give you this. If it is that they are Grigorafo they buy you see amano bail amount for person will be few is lawyers are taking step. Woman no bail, court amount bail. Will be your man quiet. And no the media make say people are frustrating you. But it's not when you have not even taken any step, you have not taken any ministry to court. I because say you find information in mount.
Okay.
I am from man now Baba catch now what I tell you. You are wasting space and time. Sorry, I say anything he must sit up. If indeed he thinks that he is up to the task, he should rather sit upright, because I hear say on the crop or the staff be court he must do his job. No because we have had enough. I don't want a situation where after some time your friend will be a perception, because that was what he told us or friend say vetting. In any case there are a lot of issues. I expect special prosecutor to take interest.
But that's what Adekye Nsroma said. There are lots of issues. Only actually, and what I say, yes, I would da. Would the actually?
Maritime, authority for one more CEO, His Excellency Yinedino, and I am the GRA boss. After 13 air conditions, sometimes we hold kokota, and yes, we cook you be to mukeke. And answer will prosecute you but he just want to lay certain facts there. Say the yeah, amount for perception about the persons, okay, will be made right.
Thank
so
you.
there's anything, and then these are issues that are pending, trendy.
Okay.
Anything, as 13 air conditioner, papa no talk. These are the things we want him to be following up with. No about catch and say this is what is happening. Say the yeah, we will lay certain perceptions and whatever to rest. Unfortunately, he's not doing that.
Thank you. What kind of challenge actually? Honorable can come.
Well, madam, I think
special prosecutor will challenge pa.
Yeah, many just say and then sadly we free special prosecutor Hoba.
Okay.
It's a very good sign for Ghana as a country and as a nation called Ghana. Because said the no AC kono. Maybe the papa no said the OC Kasano. Metiasie very well. Because he's talking accounting assembly account so. And I have an accounting background.
Oh, I
have an accounting background. Fortunately for me, may be my accounting first degree, accounting second degree, and the other accounting courses are my. And I'm a better parliament also. I am a member of the Public Accounts Committee. Being a member of the Public Accounts Committee is also. And my how the various financial laws on the Ejuma. Who's a Ghana free FAA? ana ba FAR ana ye call PFMA so the American nyina say so I won say your financial laws no I go through a lot of changes akon kakran ana aba bedru bia ye dru NSSA ya me no kase na wo hwa me ba be a member of public accounts committee for be 2 years and then bosome kakre me ba parliament wo no de bia sa problem ya owura matiame do face no ye num nyina ye hia bi but the only difference is say as a member of the public accounts committee and as the committee na a public accounts committee no the only data we can work with is the auditor's general's report.
But the auditor seniti emrano ewo homa no enti on to me invoke emrano enhye se yemfa ne se ne RTI kura de mwadawroma enya aba se enya nhya ase enya adwuma na ebe hya ase adwuma next year kura onu no ne mra na ede ne baaye no emma no to me bi se obetimi aka se pay me act we no me hia document ya ese se wo de mame.
Well, ana make say so hwe emrano baby emrani free banwa if baby na aba bedru baby edre I think the Martinamido a special prosecutors bill na buy no. Indeed 1 year crowd. And anyasa ye pass the year bibia crowd no say e dia fe.
Okay.
Na se mrane ba na say ye di year adwuma no a wo de emrane year adwuma no ano na hunu loopholes. Ana wo hu ba bia emrano ahode wo.
Okay.
E no krese emrano e hye say so open document bi na wonya e say man asset. Na se wan hwe ne yesu so now ya wadwen say udemra no ye adwuma na ye adwuma no you end up collecting almost every document at the ministry department or agencies no you know
but adwuma no dey
so,
it's not like me the babeto at the public domain see the ones that are classified no na adwuma no ono a wohwe mu a se obewu na ne o ka se obekokọ to akwesiu na waji
on the nasema o kan say o say empanyimfo bi a some institutions no be M1 they are not giving him the relevant documents as what the adwuma.
Okay.
So maybe they be a me cancer say when me cause wa cancer say no. Yeah politicians any dey hunya.
Okay.
All this corruption and as infractions are yetimi nya no ye hunu ewo auditors general's report. Muno bebre no. So far 2 years as a member of public accounts committee me hunu report to be our auditor general ba ya bo politician bi edi wo muda. Opa ko for the general report. Na ko hwe. Minim de maker.
Okay.
Bibia ni why site say politician we ana say sorry make say politician I make say minister. I say ministry bi. Ana say ministry bi asemase ministry bi no. Yes e bia minister we ana ko ye ana say bi say. Because of him pa ministers ankasa no. They don't have power say omo be sign sikasem amasika kwa bonten. All what they do is
authorize directives.
Yes. Omo di sika na nkasa no. Technocrats na omo wo the various institution. I will be about me. No about catcher or say MP di common fund. A better than MP di common fund. Even common fund the 4.5% na ba MPs or crown. MP no access to the money.
Okay.
The oya ne say ocholete ni wia. The letter no akwakoma mayor na mayor no so be approve no be disapprove no akacho within the next 10 days. These are the laws. Or approve we are no the ama ebia coordinating director and or the ama finance officer work ministry and say department and say district assembly and BBC no the ama no. Then it goes to auditing. Auditor na bibia we no when as satisfy the Public Financial Management Act and say article on regulation run na DD say sika no. So na fi the ama go ahead. So ma go ahead na say adwuma kro no a wo MP na bia wo panyin beka se emfa sika no koye no. Se e churo check na yemfa wo MP ni di na ntwuro ebe churo. Anaza wo tie ba. Yemfa MP ni na churo. Se bia ye special eyes for ana ye the contract na man special eyes for. The check na ye be churo no ke me ho na bia MP person auto special achicha man nkro for kra no. Ye churo ma order wie no. Ye the special eyes for din ana check no so. It's the power back when you check no every came no enye MP na makoji check no rather than special eyes for and akoji check no
no ye more MP's common fund
that is how it is in every
more administer but see I papa idea it's in relation to baby documents be corruption be or person fighting the point is say institution name fa de ne manoa how en obesia faso a obenya no enu na esese ye hwema no na se adwuma na de ahye ne nsa no obetumi aya we tene ne ho no wa ye ne yie se wono so wo ka ne keka na ne wama se de omanfo binom e ka no woma kasa ne papa wonye wadwen se wo be ye adwuma fi se omamu ase institution bi abre open information na enough from but ono kra de mrasa bonichi de o kan yen so wan kasa institution A ana B ana C.
Madam, so we Special Prosecutors Act na e wo no your clause say obasa obaji document that one farm manual utumi the court and also utumi SUP now ma yes what you it's part of the Special Prosecutors Bill. But and also so clause no ko any man no regulations there was here and answer say you know was as well and also so all process are also follow. So on no Special Prosecutor no ye dem nana man say ye ukọ obi onu na akọkasa on fa krata bi ma wa ye ni say na sa ye na ye say ni say nya sa sorry ya na wa ye because I know so ye kire o ekwan a obefa so a obeye no entie bia e be taking 1 week e be taking 2 weeks e be taking 3 weeks pressure ba no so amanfo say onye bibi
but on invoke ba ko ne enhwe
na bi so invoke a e bi kura na make se bi kura wa ye e bia ade no wo process nim se bia ade no se nipa na mfa ma chorokrata akoma we na bia nipa ne fa nkosi we so o man a certain na law na ya na ma a certain number of days you need to produce a document and ni nyina ya obehwe no na e bi kura ya started the process but then am say I process na e mature yenti no na pressure na e ba no because e bia mo se me nko fight corruption empanyimfo ni bi okra no a o mu mfa ade na ma me o mu beso mu de be ma me but de bia wa amoa ne se na bia okokese okasi so say Sabia we say crime ko man fa sa na mamiti ma ebia ma trigger ebia clause of the Special Prosecutors Act it eguzo e adwuma in due time no e mature the document will be ebeba na e ho adwuma so na yemfa ya ninsis ade we so ye ne enka ne ye sa technocrats na omuwo system ni mu no o kan kura obetimi anya ho asem o dedo e na o check akochoke they are omuno eseganesika e kwan bi so won say emra bia ye kwan ya fa so dan mra no anything as why electoral auditor general they be o kan say infractions they be auditor general kasa asem no obi o wa o sheda ye no bodamani tie na sika e say wo de fa e kwan ya fa so no wa sheda ai scan basa o medu public account committee o we na e bofa amani so but I'm happy say public accounts committee ye ne o ma bebre kwa ne o ma ye so scan bo etimi jeje obi o wa e chole te command no anu dem ko no ba betre sika no obo e chole to command no makofo sa nipa kro na anko mo sheda bu o me negosa nipa na dwane na aba eti ye retrieve a lot of money from the system.
Thank you.
But the kan nyina ne say Ghana for nyina should support this.
Okay.
Na baby a sika no Ghana o man sika no yes no tax na ye gye ankrofo ahye da fa kwan bone bi so edi no obi timi gye tax Ghana mrachre say so we get tax within 24 hours the money must be deposited into the consolidated fund. Obi timi gye tax na sika na da 6 years na nko flouting such a clear rule. So on
okay. Honorable Taylor,
quick one. You see, the Aminu Kayano, there's no doubt that technocrats no so no. Women so no ekahona the ecosui, but sometimes pressure, the political pressure. I had better two so munya di omuyena.
Okay.
You untiasi. You see, being the example of this damn issue, no.
Okay.
I am sure say any engineer. Hydrology ni wenunya wet is salt no so by advice as I buy a corn horse me 250,000 me person me this dama on be man the appropriate advisor on the way no but if government says this is what I have use it and I say my promise it, whether I can deliver or not go ahead and do something they will do the kind of thing that they are doing. And you know,
even in such we have something called improvisation. And
that one can only be done. You improvise based on what you are given. So and then if you improvise, you see, say, and bottle way, I need water to carry to my hometown in a bottle. I was not able to buy PET bottle like you have now. Mako use rubber. Ordinary black rubber. Okay. And I mean push you gumu and I mean I won't call it a bottle water.
Thank you. Mami ko Facebook is funny ho. Marina Evans will say good morning to all Nanado inclusive and his people. What we are doing is a dam. It is not a dugout. So you people should stop saying that it is a dam. It is a dugout. Follow me and I'll show you what a dugout is. This is a a dam and not a dugout to MPP Abremo. Upon Andy says Martin Amidu should just resign and stop wasting the taxpayers' money. Dread Savage says, good morning. Please let the Honorable know that what the BOP government have done is also known as dam. It is called detention dam. Okay. Emmanuel Upokwa, I don't think the 250 Ghana cedis is the initial budget for the dams. Kwesi promised genius oblite no is oklite and not oblite. He can talk ANDC. Hassan Zangina Lawa says, leave Mr. Kwesi Peter alone. Oh, special prosecutor. Ghana for. And then Mr. Kwesi Peter. Leave Mr. Kwesi Peter alone already. To bracket special prosecutor. And then Sabi no Abre Wakano. Musa Abatwa says, yeah, I'm disappointed in President Akufo-Addo, the incorruptible leader. Won't behave the way he's behaving in respect of fighting corruption. He failed to whip his appointees when corrupt allegations is being tagged on them. Sadly, he has turned Jubilee House into clearing agency. The case involving Maritime Authority Board suggests that he's condoning corruption contrary to his mantra of protecting public purse. Endorsed into Facebook for now. So Baron Future says, good morning, Sister Lydia. Where she pa on Martin Amido is doing his work as he promised Ghanaians, so NDC should leave him alone. Sandro also says Ghana is hard. Oh, John Neil and Vanderpoint, someone come to baby says, I find Honorable Howard Kumsin's move rather disrespectful to the president and to Ghanaians. So Akaye saying 6 minutes. Let's see what we can do. And run more Parliament House. Most universities, I mean, there's also a former university lecturer. Most universities are shifting focus. Or more call him fancy say.
Well, we have always said, but yeah, before Obeko on the GRA issue, no, the president is behaving as if say the competent person. No, quick one. I'll just use 3 seconds. 3 seconds. You see, we have a lot of knowledgeable people, very intelligent young men and women in this country, including the old. Assembly anyone. And if you need a chairperson for GRA, right, board now, why must you go and bring somebody here? What creative problem or baby? I'm nedi. Mudna bahano. Oh no, BBC say why are the competent men are now promising here? No. Well, yeah, the coming to the issue university. No. The one who say, in Pempi, you know. We blame the university, say, I'm deviated from our core, mandate and our business, and I say the mission, I established university. For instance, KNU, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, was established purely for technical and other things. But you see, criticize who are deviating. We should be mindful of current trends.
Okay.
Because, and then, we are scientists. You cannot just be a scientist who is innovating or creating or discovering things. Okay. And then it will be a friend say be intellectual property. Emra. So the bigger say law near the account. So the say. And yes, let's be a little careful. Say you criticize it, say
why not criticize more parliamentarians and I build that money.
Yes.
And I'm more discussing and more
very well.
It looks like
I remember
I
want to tell you the reason why I normally be CSA. One will say gradually, I mean day in, day out, Abai has not been able to fully fund university activities. Now ama universities no be brave. They have to find a way of generating incomes internally. So they say, and now balancing kakra. Uba science-oriented universities now. Who call them labs? There was a time I was telling somebody say maybe to say be a faculty of pharmacy, and I say be about biological sciences, ni chemistry, ni idea. Sometimes who koto 1 gram of any chemical, histamine, whatever, do by experiment. One day, it can cost you sometimes about $500, $600. Who the buy see this man? It's a lot of money. Anything no.
Science, marketing, social sciences.
I'll tell you why they drift no ban. Because government is unable to fund these programs here. No, the universities they are forced to look for other sources of income to support programs like this. Anything who share those social sciences, business and whatever. No, and it doesn't require quantum of
experiments.
And it is easy to run those programs and to generate some money.
Okay.
And say a buy per se till we should
time there use the time to talk about
if government will resource the universities very well. Even the issue about selling of forms near them. Sometimes they bastardize universities. Oh, now you're selling forms anyway, now they are expensive. My sister, the point is that government funding to the universities have been dwindling. Now, and no, supporting universities.
Honorable Kankan.
Improve
and more parliamentarians and Amodia Baba. So I said,
yeah, madam, the thing I mean, say university you be for a purpose.
Okay.
Because our universities are buying was a DC even polytechnics as the Ababe technical universities.
Yeah.
Will be on a core mandate. A sign background is secondary school. Some secondary schools are science schools, some secondary schools are art schools, some secondary schools are business schools. And also I mean but at the end I say we are say
okay.
What they to am I hold also baby. I think it's all crown also no. They also have the same thing. Oko school be or what is the school where they training leaders, a training panyu for a training uncle for way and then I say for a day. Dika uya kolana unya statepa. Unim secondary school awoko. So person science
yeah.
Maybe or natural prep college. Or is a prep college for science for.
Okay.
Me school be example dem man how.
Me dem nyimanya ko secondary school.
O free ope no is o free secondary school no or call ebia ba biti say KNUST because they a University of Science and Technology.
Yeah.
So we Legon ya as university and I just all call lawyer for and say for no no more very good in that. Na say na education.
But Legon starting medicine first so science pa.
And I can say so call baby to say
no one say di can buy na we need university for bia.
That's right.
One say
to be any no machas here. Who say now we hear crap KNUST say crap na here. I say branch be no kote science center first
to deal with the sciences.
They be KNUST School of Mines call Takwa. So on the School of Mines na yes so mines in Wajuma na wo KNUST mo relocate no Takwa say nkan I say it is a campus be.
Sure.
And is here mo aba be a whole university. And the university bia wo the core mandate or deba. But akwa just say as na me senior can say me colleague kan. O say edu ba bi o ho a and I'm say university na nkasa to the boom brand no. Na akwa bidru say say baby o ha omo yi sika ni be free baby no mo de bepa and as omo generate in sika internally. Obi anim say one of the subjects are excel business subjects. As a business because a lot of a business oriented and more precise human omo ye ho enioma. Enti aya na akwa say o hwe bia university ni command is all science and science no. So we develop technology in we are even selling it out to get money.
And
we are research in we when you come out with the product. Now ton crano. We right now. It's very expensive. And when you are focus on your core mandate, you cannot generate the funds now internally as or support to the operations of the university.
Okay.
But at the back why you know can say university no upon internally generated funds or more lecture bia aban sika ne aban ne tuan ka consolidated fund every lecturer you need single lecturer or what government university e omo de IGF ne tuan ka
okay
so entika o ka se o kana waka ne yepa na se ye kano ne ye kano sekire ni mu aka pa dia na nka se ye kwa diversify ade no nke doesn't come in.
That should be a GC to us and come away. So if you say,
come on, doesn't come in because
look at the picture
the main
broadly.
If you be line workers, the line workers at the university, no, and then it omoye lecturers, no. Without lecturers, the university won't function. Okay. And says the government who draw sika or salary every consolidated fund more a bind it 22 car. Sika IGF no go giwe. What the other just to expand, minister all the best expand, all the base or basic. But omoye the core, omoye the blood of the investment there. Without the IGF, the investing can continue.
No, see sometimes sometimes
that should be
you need you see I can't hear now the better in Kolana then you see.
IGF no to me so tell no if I buy a foul chunk of budget.
No, you see salaries and then me can say go invest here. The only thing I buy at the banny is amount for salaries. Sika idea research. Sika idea labs near den winning.
Because I institute research allowance.
Oh, you see, that is another area. Book and research allowance. You see, everything there can be say university lecturer who call your file say lecturer with a certain basic or minimum requirement. Now, the rest, no, one can self-development.
Okay.
So they make an publications, a lot of that book and research goes into that. ABA used to be with students, but ABA were 200 students. You want to run a lab. I will hear histamine, we hear we Ibahoto, among for experiment. ABA
we'll have to continue this conversation someday.
Yes, I have a university as me. Miami masters a radio. Me second masters. I go PhD very soon. And yes, I'm a candidate in my banner lecturer for mobile Feli.
Worry
about that. Also, so one day I will be at
the other thing, no say. Yeah, called Ugugula, called London School of Economics.
Okay.
That is the title.
Okay.
Of the school, no, anyways, but we various courses because normally things are changing.
And I think someone said things are changing. You shouldn't have even discussed it in
that is worth discussing because and just say be a copy.
Their core mandate must be there.
So
things will change, but your core mandate should still stand. We should be able to identify you by the core mandate.
Core mandate, yeah. That is what you are saying.
That's right.
Thank you. Honorable Ebenezer Clite Taylor be a member of parliament, a moment for Lower Menya Krobo. Honorable Kennedy can come, a member of parliament, moment for Winshire. So a random man will pay. Yemfa kwesine show.
Na mahama memo edu. Kwesine free mo na esa na na.
Na esa na mpacha mo fa ne 3k ne man wati. Aha. Honorable 3k Kennedy kwesi can come. Oye member of parliament o man for Winshire so ewura no man no pay da masese mo bae.
Ya o man panyi dada John Dramani Mahama. Obo oko into abo Western region. Nyame nka ne ho. Na Ghana esu Efreno.
Oh my God! Pachochi amampeni.
Mizura de mecha amampeni na Nandanko Kufuor. Mizia so ya de papa. Mizia so na the best president in Africa according to the Canadian researchers no. And the whole world is also 3.
Pacho maybe a happy birthday and I'm a Lady Marigold Dafo. Lady Marigold Dafo only headmistress our Ladling School North Kaneshi and Eyawawuda into me head of programs and production Mr. Roger Court is wishing for you long life, good health, and divine wisdom. Once again, lady, happy birthday. Now, may Adekye Essentials, Ase Papa, say wa mami beautiful water curls, ashe, lace front, unsu benya biashe, na unsu waluki trim and trendy for kama, now bapa, utimya eweni monyam. Adekye Essentials 024 3639 053 Instagram or AJ_essentials. Now she shows so East Legon Malabo Avenue and say ya kono nyimi ma wonyi so de e boni ye pa wonyi boni ye and the quality so Monsieur call India ko fa ni ama ba nche into benya quality emi and a creative line anope wa ma make captain fefe ashe creative line e was Swan Lake Junction or North Kanichi bia any Obilex restaurant no edi enimhwe or digital embroidery, any printing, any t-shirt printing, open kaftan, we be same thing and different fabric, same style. Creative Line be Yamam Wash and Friday. If we say, we have quick fix, www.mycreativeline.com. For 0244695057. Midi Ede Yakunama, Unyami Shao, Ontin and Mucho. Ensu ye ne su sanu adwuma yi na ne nyina mu no kodru fie anwumra emfa na sedani dana sesa wa ye oboafo. Bye bye.